The Last Leaf by O. Henry. O. Henry was born in 1862 and he died in 1910. He was a prolific American short story writer. He was also a master of surprise endings who wrote about the life of ordinary people in the New York City. A twist of plot which turns on an ironic or coincidental circumstance is typical of O. Henry's stories. The story is also called The Last Leaf of Hope. He who has health has hope, and he who has hope has everything. Let us now go through the value points of the story. The Last Leaf is a story of supreme sacrifice by an old artist, Behrman. Sue and Johnsy are two young artists. They share a small flat. Johnsy suffers from pneumonia. She links her illness with the leaves of ivy creepers. She has made up her mind that with the fall of the last leaf of the ivy creeper, she would also die. Her illness is made worse by these negative thoughts. Medicines have no effect on her illness. Sue, her best friend, suggests to her that she should stop thinking negatively. One night it rains heavily and there was a storm also. Johnsy thinks that the last leaf would fall any time and she would also die with the fall of that leaf. Johnsy peeps through the window to make herself sure that whether the last leaf fell or not. To her surprise, she finds that the last leaf was still on the creeper when she woke up in the morning. Sue tells Johnsy that the last leaf is quite green and healthy. It has not fallen. Now Johnsy smiles and starts recovering her health soon. Finally, Sue discloses the truth of the last leaf. The last leaf of the ivy creeper is Behrman's masterpiece. He painted it last night when the last leaf fell from the ivy. He died of pneumonia the next morning. Let us know a little about the characters now. About Sue. It is Sue who is very kind, loyal, sensitive, considerate, affectionate, and motherly, who takes the initiative to protect and save her dear friend. Johnsy is much of a repressed type who is very insecure and depressed. She had no hope left in her that she would remain alive. She is emotionally dependent on Sue. About Johnsy. Johnsy is a young woman who comes to New York from California to become an artist. She has an artistic mind and is pretty much adventurous. But after becoming ill, she lost all her hope initially and does not have much strength to fight off the weakness she feels after getting ill. Behrman was a 60-year-old painter. He had a lifelong dream to paint a masterpiece, but could not succeed in this regard. He lived on the ground floor in the same building where Sue and Johnsy lived. When Sue informed him about Johnsy's condition, he visited Johnsy. He was a kind person. He painted a leaf in the icy cold night. It was raining heavily and his clothes and shoes got wet. He was shivering with cold that night and he sacrificed his own life to save Johnsy's life.